prawn curry.
Prawn curry. Okay. So you showed us with the dal curry.
Yes.
We put this
Top is add
the vegetable. What? This is vegetable oil.
Yes, vegetable oil.
How much do I? Oh, to heat up a little bit. But most of the other things.
Normally half ingredients add I told you. That's it.
But I'm saying the ingredients are slightly different.
And oil?
Okay. Tell me when to stop. Yeah.
Oil now.
Okay.
Mustard?
Good.
Half and half.
You say half.
No, fresh one.
Too much?
No.
So this is mustard.
Mustard seed.
Mustard seed. Okay.
Okay. And cumin seed. Same.
Cumin seed.
More. More.
More.
No, no. No.
That's good.
Okay. Onion.
Onions. Yeah. Just throw it in. I love onions. All right.
Then
Half a spoon or half of this?
half teaspoon.
Is that good or a little more? I like garlic.
Very good. And this one more.
Oh yeah, sure. I will
Open it
try. I will try it.
Open again.
Okay.
I know next.
It's fruity.
Okay. It's homestead.
All right. Now I am officially part of the fraternity. Yeah. Sweet. All right. Smells awesome. Garlic and onions. You know, Samantha, I think we're done. I can eat it like this. It's wonderful. Okay. Carlio. Leaf. I keep mixing.
Yeah, mix. And then the dal will go, no?
Okay.
Okay. And we do turmeric powder.
Turmeric powder. All right.
Curry powder. And one tomato.
One tomato.
Yes.
So which type of curry is more common? The dal curry or this type of curry that we're making right now? Which one is more locals?
Local.
Yeah, which one's more local?
Yes, local.
Both of them?
Both of them.
Ah, okay. Okay.
Okay.
Voila. And what is that?
Chili.
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 All right. Yeah. Bring it.
Yeah. Gamboj. Gamboj.
Gumboj.
Yeah. Understand like how it is.
I will try anything.
Okay.
And so will she. Okay.
Salt.
Right.
Okay.
Okay.
This water.
prawn time.
Meat and prawn.
Oh, okay. Coconut milk.
Yeah. Puro di coconut milk. Bukan pura kira kata orang apa? Berpikir kan? Puro dari ini orang. Okay. Okay.
Turn up the heat a little bit before we put in the
Reduce
prawns, huh?
Okay. Reduce to water.
Mm-hmm. Okay, so this is a couple minutes we wait?
Okay.
No, so when do we put this in?
Yes. So reduce to water and prawns.
Reduce the water. And so how many, couple minutes?
2 minutes.
2 minutes. All right, so while we wait, I am going to show you the pool. I will be right back. So, oh. So now you can see the lake. It's kind of cleared up a little bit. You can see the property. Really pretty grounds. You see here, there's the pool and a hot tub, jacuzzi hot tub. The lake, again, this is a working tea region. And look at this impressive tree, which is supposed to be 100 years old, at least. Okay. All right. All right, Samantha, why don't you finish us off?
Okay. Let's reduce water.
Uh-huh.
Look.
Looks like she couldn't wait. So she's trying the dal curry. What do you think? Good? Okay. Awesome.
Add prawns.
Yep.
It's cooking time 2 minutes.
2 minutes?
2 or 3 minutes.
Okay. So let's go on another a walk. Again, beautiful grounds. So the owner's cottage is, you know, behind and to the right of this tree. Beautiful grounds, really pretty flowers. And show you the tree farm. So there's ladies that come and pick the leaves all around. They get paid based on the weight of the leaves that they pick. It gets ferried over to the Dunkeld factory, which is nearby, actually just down below near against the lake. Again, this is the public space as well as the 4 guest rooms to the back. Nice place to chill out. So let's check up on Samantha. So why is this called dal curry?
But
Why is this called dal curry? Because of the main ingredient is that lentil type dal
big
type.
lentil.
And what type of curry is this called? Is there
prawn curry?
well, I know, but if you put chicken or whatever, I mean, what's the name of is there a name of the curry?
Prawn curry.
Okay. Okay, so if you did not put dal or prawn in these curry, would they be this exact same type of curry?
Same type of locally rice and curry, like rice with curry.
Uh-huh.
Use rice this dal curry for morning breakfast and roti and bread usually.
So really the dal gives it a completely different flavor and texture from the typical curry, right? And so this is more the not the standard, but the more common curry you eat for lunch or dinner or anything like that.
No, anytime.
Anytime.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay. I see.
That's finished.
Okay. Thank you, Samantha.
Thank you.